Today, let's draw a spooky little spider for Halloween fun. First, draw the spider web in the background. Then add the spider's round body on it. Color the spider's head with soft gray. Fill the body with a darker gray, and color all 8 legs to make the spider stand out. Add big black eyes with white highlights, a tiny smile, and soft pink cheeks. Finally, add fuzzy strokes around the body so the spider looks soft and less plain. Here's our Halloween spider, spooky, playful, and full of magic. In the night of shadows, even the smallest spark of imagination can weave magic.